Oh snap, dog. Is this it? Oh snap. Hold on.
How you doing, everyone? Welcome. You guys are being weird.
Hello. Welcome. Oh wait, is this on? Are there audio levels? I don't know. I haven't recorded a video like this in a minute. I just woke up. How you doing? A box came this morning. I think it might be a particular kind of box with an X involved. Hold on, let me get some scissors. Uh-oh. Vlog JD vlog. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm filming this part. But let's see what it is though. Hold on, my guys, my girls, my boys, my children. Hold on. Oh snap, dog. Is this it? Oh snap. Hold on. I didn't realize today was the day. It's early. What? Hey Siri, what day is it? Is it Christmas? What? Now gonna talk to me? Hey Siri, what day is it?
It's Monday, the 26th of October,
Woo.
2020.
It's early, baby. Unboxing. Canceling all my content to do an unboxing video. Oh wait, no, I think actually I have an embargo to wait. I think they said till Friday, right? Woo, I don't care. All right. Well, maybe this will be part of it. Maybe this will be the beginning of the unboxing. See you soon. Bye. All right, y'all, we're here. I'm in my office now. Welcome to the studio, by the way. I hope you enjoy it. It's gonna be really dope once I get it all complete. But let's not talk about that. Shout out to my boys, my girls, my ladies, my dainties, anyone, humans who work at Xbox. Xbox, you are greatly appreciated for sending me an Xbox Series X. Yes, next gen is finally here. I am ready to open this thing. And yeah, as we can see, I got the top down angle so you can see the box. I'm on my unbox therapy, my Marquez Brownlee. You know, I'm trying to get the quality up for y'all. So hey, how about you hit that like button before we get started? All right, so let's look at the box. First things first. I'm sure you've probably seen some other people unbox it, but here's the front. You got the Xbox logo. You got the Series X logo. You got 4K 120 frames per second. You got a cool V. I don't know what that means. You got a 1 terabyte SSD, which that's a lot of storage, even though I know games are gonna be like 300 gigabytes, but I mean, better than nothing, right? All right, we're gonna, I'm scared to move this because my camera is connected to the table, so it might shake, so I have to be very careful. Also, I have a ring light up there that might be a little, it might be doing a little too much right now, but let's see the top of the box. The top of the box, you can see it has the Xbox, you know, watermark, I guess. Just sitting there, looks good. Let's flip it to the next side. Oh, we got the Xbox again. That ring light is destroying. You can hardly see anything. Sorry, I gotta aim it in a certain direction, but there it is. We got the Xbox from a different angle. On the bottom, there's not really anything. It's just kind of like a whole bunch of, I don't know, words and text. Got my model number on one side. Oh, okay. Here's a breakdown that I didn't see. As you can see from the top, make it drop. That's some wet AP. All right, I'm sorry. All right, so this says 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS. You all know this. It also, oh, sorry. Oh, I bumped into the camera. Oh my God, I bumped into both cameras. Look, this is my first unboxing. Please take it easy on me. I mean, it's my first next generation unboxing. I apologize. Stop moving. Stop moving. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. So on this side panel, it breaks down everything that's inside the box. Obviously, it says 4K 120 FPS, 8K HDR. It's got Xbox Velocity architecture, Xbox Velocity, 1 terabyte solid state drive, variable refresh rate, 4K Blu-ray, and it also includes controller things. All right, I think it's time we open. I think it's time we open, people, because I am not the best at this. I'm trying my hardest, but it's a little difficult. All right. Oh, I need my switchblade. I need to be like one of those YouTubers with the switchblade. I have my handy dandy switchblade, which I don't really need, but I'm gonna use it. Oh, I forgot to mention on the back, we've got the one and only Master Chief, who didn't make it to the party this year, but he will be here to finish the fight soon. Shout out to Master Chief. Shout out to Halo. We will see you soon, my captain. Oh, captain, my captain. All right, here we go. Let's cut this open. Oh, okay. So which way do we go? Do we go that way? Oh, there's more. Hold on. All right. You know that my series was originally called The Worst Unboxing Ever, right? That's what I originally called it, because I was never really that good at doing this. Like, not in a sexy way, at least. I'm not like oh my God, I'm not like that one channel on YouTube who does it, and they do it with like the white gloves, and they make it look all pretty, and it's like a ASMR. I should have went with the ASMR thought, but I guess I didn't do it. All right, there we go. Oh, actually, looking at this, it's tiny. Wow. Whoa, this is crazy. It doesn't even fit on my camera. Hold on. Okay, all right, I can't get it to fit all the way on my camera, but here we go. You can see it says, "Power your dreams." Before we open up the Xbox, we'll open up the stuff that's inside. So let's open up this little box. We're gonna move the Xbox to the side, and we're gonna see what we get in the little box. Inside this little box, we get an HDMI cable. All right, that's amazing. Oh wait, make sure you show it on camera, JD. Sorry, I'm so new to this, y'all. All right, here we go. All right, so first thing in the box, we've got the HDMI cable. Yes, we all need one of these to get our games going, and I'm assuming this one is like one that can do 4K and all the frames and all the per seconds. So we got our HDMI cable. We have our power cable. Power cable looking snazzy, looking good in the neighborhood. An instruction booklet, if you do that. Does anybody read instructions anymore? I know I don't. It came with some AA batteries that I know you all don't really care about, which is fine. And last but not least, it came with the new Xbox Series X controller. Also, funny story, I was in a Target the other day and I thought I saw an Xbox Series S, but it was an Xbox One S, and I almost bought it. Yeah, I posted about that on my Twitter and my Instagram. Go follow me there if you want to see that funny little moment. You know what I realized though? That's it for this box. I thought this box was gonna have more in it. There's nothing else inside. This is the only charge cable that I'm seeing. This is your only power cable necessary. That's kind of crazy. Okay, y'all, now with all of that out of the way, let's get a look at the Xbox Series X. I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna take it. Oh my God, it's heavy. All right, so we're gonna take it out of this packaging first, and we're gonna move the packaging over. All right, first things first, I think it's a lot smaller than I anticipated. I'm wondering what the PlayStation's gonna look like, because this is pretty crazy. All right, so we're taking off this first layer. We're gonna cut through this little, don't cut the Xbox, JD. There we go. All right, we're gonna peel this back. There she blows, everyone. Wow, okay, the Xbox Series X. All right, so there it is, everybody, the Xbox Series X. You can see all of the pieces that are necessary for using it, such as the sync button, which will probably sync you to your controllers. You got a USB hub here. You've got the disk drive on the left side, the logo, and also power conductor. On the side, you've got nothing except for an Xbox logo that I'm seeing. It looks clean though. On both sides, it's the same thing. On the top, you can see the green hue. If you look in at just the right angle, you can see the green hue at the top of the Xbox Series X. And it looks like it's on the inside of this like circular mesh that you're looking at. Inside the circular mesh, if you look straight down, there's nothing, but if you tilt it just a little bit, that's the circular mesh and its insides are green to give it that Xbox glow, that green glow. All right, on the back of the Xbox Series X, we've got 2 USB ports, I'm assuming USB 3. We've got the storage expansion card, an HDMI out, the power cable, and an Ethernet plug. I just realized that you very much need this storage expansion card that they have in collaboration with Seagate. I don't have one yet. Hopefully Xbox will hook it up and send me some of those. And on the bottom, hopefully I don't drop it, this is the stand for the Xbox Series X that you can see right here. So you stand it up, and that's how you get the Xbox Series X. Try to center it as best as I can. All right, wow, okay. I did an unboxing, that's so cool. All right, everybody, that was my unboxing for the Xbox Series X. Again, shout out to Xbox. Thank you so much, Xbox, for sending me this. I'm looking forward to creating content with it. I'm gonna be playing a bunch of different games on it. For those of you who watch me here, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitch as well. I'll be streaming a lot of games off of this. And yeah, I think it's a good compact size. It's got some weight to it though. It very much has a lot of like heaviness to it, but in a good way. And if you can see behind me, I've got my PC over there. It's going to counterbalance this desk because sometimes the desk gets tilted due to its standing nature, and that PC holds down one side. So this is gonna help weigh down that other side. I'm looking forward to plugging it in and seeing how it works. But let me know what you thought about this unboxing and if you want to see more. I'll be doing one for the PlayStation 5, and leave some comments down below. Let me know which console you plan on getting, or what did you think about this unboxing? And let me know if you got an Xbox Series X, which games are you going to be getting for this console? It looks massive. It feels massive. My arms hurt from holding it. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it. Oh. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Be sure to hit the like button, share, links in the description below. Check out those videos over there on the left. I will catch you on the next one. Next Gen is in the building. I'm ready for this. See you next time.